sure has a lot of questions. If you look, you can see them everywhere. Use your mind to define energy and time. It's more than just some numbers on a page. Let's go, let's go. Vectors, friction, motion. Let's go, let's go. It's a lot more fun with a little commotion. Curiosity is the remedy. All you really need's velocity. Let's go, let's go. Professor Skull. Let's go, let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go, Professor Skull.
Just one more turn ought to do it. Oh, hey, you're here. It's me, Professor Sko, and I'm racing in the 38th annual Great Clermont Triathlon, put on by Sommer Sports. If you saw our earlier videos, you know that a triathlon consists of 3 events: swimming, biking, and running. I have made it to the second leg, biking. But to be honest, I'm really just looking for a good drive-through to get a burger. But don't tell anybody. Now, when you're going to be on your bike for a long time, you've got to be able to repair it if needed. This is my bike. I call her the Green Hornet, and we have done a lot of triathlons together. In order to be fast on the bike, you've got to overcome rolling resistance between the tires in the road, air resistance, and gravity when climbing hills. Quintana Roo, they were the original triathlon-specific bike brand. So let's take a look at this awesome aerodynamic machine together. Let's start by looking at the super thin frame. It's made up of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is both lighter and stronger than aluminum or steel. Isn't that wild? This frame will absorb the vibrations from the road and provide a smooth ride. That is super important if you are biking the full distance of 112 miles. Whoa, wait a tick. That's the distance from Orlando to Jacksonville. Whoa! This bike here also has aero bars. This allows the rider to be in an even more aerodynamic position when riding. Oh, and here, this bike was found to have a drag coefficient of 0.1 during wind tunnel testing. What does that mean? It means the Green Hornet is wind slippery. Notice the height of the seat as well. Triathlon bikes have a higher seat than a road bike. This forces the athlete's hips forward, reducing the tension in the quadriceps and hamstrings, allowing you to save those big muscles for the run. And look, I've even got racing wheels on her. These wheels will smooth out the airflow from the front of the bike all the way to the back. And did you know that the faster these racing wheels spin, the better they can do that? Now that's incentive to push harder. And lastly, come here. Veteran riders will actually clip into their pedals. Yes, seriously, they literally become one with the bike. This allows the riders to have a more efficient pedal stroke and provides forward momentum when pulling up. This is a lifesaver on a super steep climb. Oh, well, if it isn't Slurry Sparky. Seriously? What a drag! There is so much wrong with that. I don't even know where to begin. Sparky, that bike is built for comfort, not speed. Here's a question for you. Do you know the land speed record on a bicycle? Don't know? Go to ProfessorSko.com and click on In the Know to find out. All right, well, when it comes to the bike, aero is everything. I have an aerodynamic water bottle. I've got an aerodynamic helmet. Well, wait a tick. My outfit's not very aerodynamic. I can fix that. Thanks, Clermont Tri Club. All right, well, it's time for me to get the Green Hornet back on the road. Until next time, keep sciencing.
Sure has a lot of questions. If you look, you can see them everywhere. Use your mind to define energy and time. It's more than just some numbers on a page. Let's go, let's go. Vectors, friction, motion. Let's go, let's go. It's a lot more fun with a little commotion. Curiosity is the remedy. All you really need's velocity. Let's go, Professor Skull. Let's go, oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go, Professor Skull.
I'm really just looking for a good drive-through to get a burger.